Hello friends, welcome back to channel. I am your friend Ashish. In this video, we are starting class 11th statistics chapter number 9 arithmetic mean. These are all the formulas which we have to study in this chapter. These are three series: individual series, discrete series and frequency distribution. I hope you are study about this series in previous chapter. But don't worry, I explained to you. Before starting this chapter, we have to know about what is an arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is an average of all the items given in our series. ये एक तरह का एवरेज होता है किसी भी सीरीज का जो हम निकालते हैं विद द यूज ऑफ फॉर्मूला. नाउ मूविंग टू अवर फर्स्ट सीरीज, इंडिविजुअल सीरीज. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज वो होती है जिसमें हमें सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशंस दी हों, उसे हम इंडिविजुअल सीरीज कहते हैं. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में हम दो फॉर्मूले लगा सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट मेथड और एक एज्यूम्ड मेथड. सो अवर डायरेक्ट मेथड फॉर्मूला इज mean is equal to sigma x upon n. Here this is equal to mean and x is this items given in our series and sigma x is equal to sum of all the observations which is given in a series. So 500, 900, 1200, 1400, 1500. So sigma x is our 1500. So our sigma x is 1500 and n is a number of observation given in a series. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 number of series. Now substituting the values in the formulas, mean is equal to sigma x is 1500 upon number is 5. So mean is equal to 300. So this is our mean. Now we calculate the same series by using assumed method. So the formula for assumed method is mean is equal to a plus sigma d upon n. Here A means assumed. We have to select any one number in a series and take it as a assumed. So for example, I take assume as a 300. Okay, and the next term is sigma d. Here d is means deviation and the formula for deviation is x minus a. So x is our observations. Now we have to make an column by the name of deviation. The formula for deviation is d is equal to x minus a. Okay, our x is 100 minus we have select 300 as a assumed minus 300. So this is minus 200. Now this is 200 minus 300 minus 100. 300 minus 300 0. 400 minus 300 100. 500 minus 300 200. So now we calculated the sum of sigma d is equal 100 plus हमारे 300 है minus 300. So this is almost 0. Our sigma d is 0. So our sigma d is 0 and number is 5. Number of observation is 5. So now substituting the values in the formulas, mean is equal to a is 300 plus sigma d is 0 upon number is 5. So 0 upon 5 is almost 0. So this is 300. Our mean is 300. So whatever you doing any method, your answer will be same. So now moving to next series, discrete series. Discrete series वो होती हैं जिसमें हमें observations के साथ साथ हमें उसकी frequency भी दी हो, उसे हम discrete series कहते हैं. The formula for direct method is mean is equal to sigma xf upon sigma f. Here x is denoted by our items and f denotes our frequencies. This term xf means to multiplication of items with their frequencies. So next column is xf. We have to multiply items with their frequencies. So this is 200, this is 200, this is 900, this is 1200, and this is 500. And our sigma xf is equal to 3000, and our sigma frequency is equal to 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our sigma f is equal to 10. So our sigma xf is equal to 3000. So this is 3000, sorry. And our sigma f is equal to 10. Now substituting the values in the formulas, this is 3000 mean upon 10. So our mean is equal to 300. So this is our mean. Moving to next method, assumed method. The formula for assumed method is mean is equal to assumed plus sigma df upon sigma f. A, assumed. I take assumed, for example, as a 200, and for sigma df, for calculating sigma df, first of all we have to calculate d. So next column is deviation. Formula for deviation is d is equal to x minus a. So our x is 100 minus 200, 200 minus 200, 300 minus 200, 400 minus 200, 500 minus 200 is equal to minus 100, 0, 100, 200, 300. Now we have to calculate df. So we have to multiply deviation with its frequency. So this is 100 multiplied by 2 minus 200. This is 0. This is 300. This is 3 to the 600. This is 300. So our sigma df is equal to, this is 600, 900, 1200 minus 200, 1000. So our sigma df is 1000, and our sigma f is equal to 337. This is 10. Now substituting the values in the formulas, 200 plus 1000 upon 10. Now solving this equation, 0 से 0 कट गया, and 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. So this is our mean. Our mean is 300. So our last method is step deviation method. So formula for step deviation is mean is equal to a plus sigma df upon sigma d dash and multiply by c. Here for example I taking a as a 200 again, so the new term is coming is d dash. The formula for d dash is equal to d upon c. So for calculating d dash we have to calculate first of all d. Okay, so the next column is d, and the formula for calculating d is x minus a. So 100 minus 200, 200 minus 200, 300 minus 200, 400 minus 200, 500 minus 200 is equal to, this is minus 100, this is 0, this is 100, this is 200, this is 300. Now for calculating d dash, what is c? C is called a common factors. Here I see a common factor of 100. So I taking c as a 100. So next column is d dash is equal to d upon c. So minus 100 upon 100. 0 upon 100, 100 upon 100, 200 upon 100, 300 upon 100. So this is minus 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. The next term is sigma df. So now we multiply d dash with its frequency. So next column is d dash f. So 2 ones are minus 2, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So sigma d dash f is equal to 3, 3, 6, 12, and this is 10 is equal to 10. Okay, sigma f is equal to, this is already we calculated, this is 10, sigma f is equal to 10. So now substituting the values in the formula, mean is equal to A is our 200 plus sigma df is 10 upon sigma f is 10, multiply we take C as 100. So I cancelling it, 0 0, this is 1 1, multiply with 100, so 200 plus 100, mean is equal to 300. So this is our mean. That's all today. In next video part, we cover frequency distribution and some special series. If you like this video, press the like button, and for getting more such videos,